sad. I can't see it right now, but it has the Kevlar ropes.
New York ass cab.
Yes.
I think every floor is single tenant, huh?
Yeah, you can try to go 3.
That's the only floor that's open.